Greasy Mitanan. For tonight's dinner, Schlarraffenland is celebrating the coming of autumn with Mitarashi Dango. This is a traditional and super popular street food snack in Japan. You might have seen it featured in many of your favorite animes like Naruto or Doraemon. This dish is basically yummy and chewy rice balls enjoyed with a beautifully rich and sweet soy glaze. So, are you ready to taste your beloved character's favorite snack? Then let's roll into the kitchen and make some Mitarashi Dango with us. First, you would need to boil 200 milliliter of water. While the water is boiling, in a large bowl combine 100 gram of joshinko, which is usually called Japanese rice flour in English, and 100 gram of shiratamako, or glutinous rice flour. Mix it well, and once the water is boiled, slowly pour about 150 milliliter of water into the flour mixture and gently stir it as you pouring the water in. Once you start seeing the flour stick together into clumps, that's enough water. Now, it's time to use your hands to gather the dough together and knead it until it becomes smooth. Keep kneading until the dough has the same texture and feel as your earlobe. We do not recommend touching your ear with sticky doughy hand, however. Now, once achieved this earlobe texture, form the dough into a ball and divide it into 16 equal pieces, about 20 gram each if you're OCD about it. Next, take each piece and shape it into a smooth, round ball until you have 16 cute little round dangles. Before cooking the dangle, please prepare a bowl of ice-cold water to soak the dangle later. Now it's cooking time. Bring a pot of water to a boil. Once the water is boiled, very gently drop your dangle balls in. Gently stir them to keep them nice and round while also avoid sticking. Let them enjoy the steaming spring until they start floating to the surface. Once the balls have all swum to the surface, let them keep swimming for about 1 minute more. Then remove them from the hot bath and immediately transfer them into an ice-cold bath that you prepared earlier. Allow the cold truth of reality hit them hard, enabling them to develop a solid texture on the outside while maintaining a tender and chewy core. Let them cool down before draining. Now, after boiling and icing, it's time for the stuffing. Don't worry, all the violence will be repaid with deliciousness. Take a skewer and stick 3 to 4 dangle balls to it. After you've skewered all of them, you can set them aside while preparing your perfectly sweet yet slightly savory soy sauce glaze. For the sweet soy sauce glaze, in a pot, mix together 150 milliliter of water, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of mirin, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch until they generally combine. Turn on the heat to medium while keep stirring until the sauce is thickened. Once it's thickened, quickly remove it from the heat. And voila! There you have it, your very own Mitarashi Dango. All you need to do now is glaze the dango skewer with that beautiful soy sauce. This is a perfect snack to be enjoyed with a nice cup of hot green tea on a cool autumn afternoon. The full-bodied, deep and sweet flavor of the soy glaze combined with the chewiness of the rice balls complement perfectly with the slightly bitter yet light and refreshing flavor of Japanese tea. And that, my friends, is the lovely taste of the fall season. Before you start sipping tea and enjoying your delicious dango, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tasty Asian recipes for all season of the year. And now, all that's left is, and with that, bon appetit, itadakimasu, mời cả nhà ăn cơm, and again.